Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a tie-dye mani using the Maniology Special FX BM XL456 plate. That's a lot. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and as my base I'm going to use Brave's Diva Shutout. I'm really going to have to place an order for some more of this because I have really put a hurt on this bottle. If you hear any huffing and puffing in the background, that's Cotton doing his bed swimming. Won't do it when I break out the camera, but Lord, he's got to do it when I'm doing my voiceover. I am capping my free edge there. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat and get it to dry down. And I love this white base. It's so pretty. Now, if I was going to wear it as white base, I might do another coat. But since I'm doing the stamping, we're just going to, do the one coat. I've got a bunch of stampers out today because I'm going to be doing some reverse stamping or advanced stamping. And I'll be using Brave's Diva on the black. I need another bottle of this too. So I'm going to use a couple of images off of this plate. I'm going to use this one right here that one of my friends said looks like the weather pattern. Like when they're showing the gnarly weather coming in, like, hurricanes and stuff. That's what the weather map looks like. And I thought that was just spot on. So I'm going to use this one on, I think, three of my nails. And then I'm going to use just the swirl image for two of them. So I'm really enjoying this plate. I told you all, I'm so into the distressed look. And I know I've used it a couple of times here recently, so hopefully I can get my feel of it and move on. Now this is the swirl image I was talking about. We're just going to do a couple of nails with that image. I just cover the whole image with the black polish because it does have a lot of deep depressions, and I don't want it to be thin or scraped up, so I wanted to make sure I had enough coverage. And we're going to do that one more time, and then we're going to get to the fun part. Now, I've been thinking about this manicure, and so many people, when I used this plate before, said something about it looking tie-dye, so I'm going tie-dye. And this one is Pank, and it's spelled Pank, and these are all mixed up lacquers, and all of the polishes, all the neons I'm using today are from that one collection. I don't remember the name of it, but any neons you have in your collection would work. And this one is Orangelicious Baby. I have not done near enough neon manicures this summer, so I figured I better break some out before it's over. I am already starting to feel the mood for the jewel tones and the fall colors, and I'm just so excited about them. I always love the jewel tones. They make my heart sing. So I do have, and I'm not showing all of these all the way through. And this is GERmanikure yellow. And, but you're getting the idea. I did like a circle in the middle with the pink, and then I go around it with the orange and the yellow. And I'll just continue on with this pattern. I'm not trying to draw in any lines. I'm just trying to do like circles of each color. Just all the way around. So that when I flip it over, you can see some spots, are filled in. But I just figured this would be the best way to do this one. I wasn't going to try to draw in between all these sketchy little lines. And it's blue. I don't even know how you would say all that name, but that's how I say it. And if I can find a link for these polishes, I will link them down below. I don't know. A lot of the indies, when they put out collections, they're, kind of limited editions. If I can find the link, I will link it below. But you might want to check out this brand anyway. I will leave a link to their storefront. But if you want to do this manicure, and you really want to do it, use your neons, whatever you got in your collection. It's, I don't want to feel like I'm pushing polishes on you guys all the time. I own a lot. It's my passion, it's my hobby, it's my addiction, and so I do own way too much. This one's Camera Freak Out. This green, it's so pretty. But, you know, any manicure I do, if you do gel polish, just find a gel polish in your collection that's similar. If you're wanting to reproduce a manicure I do, if you see something I do and you really like it and you want to give it a go, just use what you have in your collection. You don't have to run out and buy exactly what I have. Same for stamping plates. If you've got an image similar to that, use it. I mean, you know, you just take an idea and run with it. I just, sometimes I feel like us YouTubers, we do spawn the urgency and the need to feel like we've got to have everything. I'll be using Get a Grip by Vibrant Vinyls as my sticky base today. I've already put it on that ring fingernail and my pinky, and I'm pushed that down, and now I'm just mushing it down with my finger. I did let these dry for about 15-20 minutes before I applied them because I wanted to make sure I wasn't ruining them. I'm using that little cuticle tool to kind of cut off the excess of the decal. There's not a whole lot there, but you know, I like getting as much of it up as I can so that I'm not just smearing it around when I do my acetone cleanup. So there we go with that one. And here we come with that acetone I speak of and my cleanup brush. Now, an update on this little cleanup brush. It's starting to get fluffy. It's starting to fluff out. So, you know, but I have given it some extensive use in the past month or so that I've been using it. And so, you know, for regular people that do their nails like once a week or once every 2 weeks, this brush would last you a lot longer. I will keep using it until it just gets so fluffy that it's bothering me, and then I'll move on to another brush. I'm doing my tidying up here, and I always go up underneath and get as much of that underneath gone because I do not like lumps of polish up under my nail. And here we go. Oh, I am applying that Get a Grip. Looky here. I did save some footage for you all. I love this. It's a good sticky base. But once again, if you have Orly Bonder or anything else, or you just have clear polish, use it. You don't have to use exactly what I use. You know, I want to show y'all what's out there in case you're in the market for something, but don't feel like you got to run out and buy everything, because that's what I do, and that's why I have so much and why it's such a problem. Once again, I'm just going around with that cuticle tool, kind of breaking the seal and trimming it out just a little bit. And if you don't like using tools like this, there's a plastic cuticle pusher tool from Sally's that also works well, or you can even use an orange wood stick like my friend Woody. You can do it any way you want. And some people don't use any of this. They just go straight in with their acetone and their cleanup brush. And that is what I'm doing now. Doing my acetone cleanup brush. I do dip into my pot of acetone and then kind of tap it on the paper towel and then go after the polish, and then I kind of wipe it off before I go back into the acetone. Pardon the teapot. We got sweet tea making going on. We live in the South. There's a lot of sweet tea going on at my house. So here we go. I'm going up underneath it again. And then I tap across the end just to make sure it's smooth and I've got everything. I'm telling you, I am in love with this manicure. So all of those people that put the thoughts in my head with the weather map and the tie-dye and everything, I want to thank you all so much for talking and commenting, and you know, because I'm in love with this manicure. I am putting on a coat of the Bundle Monster Smudge Free Top Coat, and now that it's dry, I'm going to apply my Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls, and this manicure is going to be complete, and I am ecstatic with it. I love, 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 love this one. But as always, I want to hear what you think about it. You know, give me your thoughts. If you would have done it any differently. Oh, hi, Woody. How you doing? I am in love with it, though. So here it is in motion a little bit. Da-da-da. And I have a swatch photo. There it is. So I want to thank you for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself.